Hey guys, it's Prince here again, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix the page stuck issue in Google Chrome or any Chrome based browser. I'm using Chrome Canary, and let me give you example from YouTube that if I open multiple pages it will get stuck. And this is my channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And now I will open my videos and you will see the browser will stuck. And don't forget to watch these awesome videos after this video. And when I'm switching to other tabs, you can see the browser is stuck. And saying not responding. It's so annoying, even it happens when I try to play a video on Facebook. So I'm gonna close this and let me show you how to fix this. Okay, I'm gonna open Chrome again and go into settings. On settings page, drag down and you will see an advanced option. After clicking on advanced, drag all the way down and you will find this option enabled hardware acceleration. So you have to disable this option. After disabling, click on relaunch. The browser is relaunched and go to advanced and all the way down to see if it's disabled. And yes, it's disabled. Now I will open youtube.com/dailytechprince. That's my channel link. And I will open all the videos on the page. They are like 30 plus tabs. And moving to all the tabs one by one, and you can see it's not hanging or stucking like before. And every video is playing in the tab. And now let me close all the tabs one by one. And you can see the problem is fixed. Hit subscribe if this solved your problem. Stay tuned for more and peace out.